Melissa, set this up for us. There are a lot of TJ Maxx stores close to Macy's stores. TJ Maxx, TJX has been doing well. Macy's haven't. Why is that? I mean, when I think Macy's, I think malls, and when I think TJX, I think strip malls. I don't know if that has anything to do with it.
It comes down to a couple of things. People like strip malls, and they're just perceived as more convenient for people. And so some of it comes down to the same sort of thing as real estate, location, location, location. And if people want to get in, get out quickly, being in a place where they are grocery shopping, like a TJ Maxx, is more convenient than circling around looking for a parking space at the mall where Macy's is. So that's a factor here. The other dynamic is that people are looking for a deal. And a lot of the brands are very similar at Macy's and TJ Maxx, but people can get them for cheaper.
Corey, weigh in here, too, because when I look across the discount space, not everybody's doing well. I don't remember which one it is, Dollar General or Dollar Store. Somebody's closing a bunch of stores while somebody else is doing well. So it's not all about mall malaise. What's the difference?
I think with off-price specifically, this is a concept, given their rather opportunistic buying model, the convenience and small format of these stores, it generally bodes well for consumers across various income demographics because they offer a good, better, best assortment, specifically at TJ Maxx, that's relatively close to a lot of consumers' homes in the U.S. And as you think about these prices that are 40 to 70% off conventional brands that you'd find in department stores, it tends to make the value offering very attractive given the value and proximity.
Okay, Melissa, it was Dollar Tree and Family Dollar that I was trying to remember, closing about 1,000 stores right now. How are they doing that while TJX is doing pretty well? I think there are other retailers who are off-price who are doing particularly well. I can't remember which one just reported earnings. You probably do. Is it staffing? Is it, again, location? Is it just the assortment that they're able to put out there?
You have to think about the customer. So compared to a Dollar Tree or a Dollar General, Macy's has a more affluent shopper, and that's why there's more overlap with TJX and even brands like Target or the higher-end customer that goes to Kohl's. And Jefferies actually looked at this, Corey looked at this, that, if you look at where that customer shops, it's not just that they're looking for price, they're also looking for some of those more higher end names. And so that explains why we're seeing growth of some retailers and closures of others. Like, I spoke to Target CEO Brian Cornell, and he mentioned Macy's and the closure and the opportunity that he sees for Target. And he said, this is an opportunity we've had before when we've seen boxes close, like Toys R Us in the past. We've moved into some of those locations, and now this is kind of playing out again, but with a different name. Of course, Macy's is saying, as we close stores, we're going to invest in ones that are better performing. So they're saying these ones are already underperforming and perhaps already losing market share to TJX and others.